In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Siteground password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Siteground dashboard, what to click, and how to choose a strong new password with confidence. First, open your browser and head to my.siteground.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. It's important to be logged in because we're changing the password from within your profile settings. If you're on mobile, the layout may be slightly condensed, but the options are the same. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. That icon opens your personal account menu. From the menu that appears, select Login and Profile. This is where SiteGround organizes your authentication and account details, so everything you need for updating your password is right here. On the Login and Profile page, find the Password section. This section is dedicated to managing your account password securely. Click the Change button to begin the update process. You'll see fields for your current password and your new password. Start by entering your current password. This verifies that it's really you making the change. If there's a show or hide option, use it to double check what you've typed, especially if you're on a small screen. If you use a password manager, copy carefully to avoid extra spaces. Next, type your new password. Aim for a strong, unique password you haven't used on other sites. A good approach is a long passphrase that mixes upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Many managers can generate one for you, which helps avoid reuse and common patterns. If there's a strength indicator, don't proceed until it shows strong. When you're confident your entries are correct, click Confirm. SiteGround will process the change and show a confirmation message. In some cases, you might be asked to re-enter your credentials or pass two-factor authentication, which is normal for security-sensitive updates. After this, your new password is active immediately. The next time you log in on this device or any other, use the new password. If you stay signed in on multiple devices, be aware that some sessions may require you to sign in again, which is expected after a password update. If you run into issues, make sure your browser didn't autofill the wrong field and verify there are no typos. And if you can't remember your current password to complete this process, use the Forgot Your Password link on the login page to recover access first. That's it. Your SiteGround password is now updated securely and ready to use.